Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. I've got a Lockwood 245. It has a C4 keyway. Some people are mistaking them for a L4 keyway, but it's a C4. That's the bitting on the key, and I believe it's only a 5-pin lock. There are 6-pin variants. I've got a few in my collection, but I thought I'd pick this old one today. Oh, paid some gem too. So. That's an open, and you can't actually shut it until the shackles close. So that's the Lockwood 245. Double ball locking. Definitely a nice collector's item. But yep, that's me for this one, guys. Take care, guys. I'll catch you on another video.